The time is 3:33 p.m. and guess what? I put Uber driver app in timeout for 1 whole hour. I didn't work. I took a break, and you know exactly why I did that, right? Let me show you. If you go here and look at my YouTube channel, you will notice something. I ended up making 8 thumbnails for this channel, but the reason why I put Uber in a timeout is right here. You'll find out in 1 second. Watch. This is why I put Uber in a timeout right here. Do you see this playlist right here? Canceled. Last passenger canceled on me, and for that cancellation, Uber paid me $0. Because Uber paid me $0, I put Uber in a timeout, and I started working on my YouTube channel. This is literally what I did. I put 8 videos up with the cancellation video. Okay, well, 1 video is unfortunately missing. I will add it right now. But basically, Uber needs to be in a timeout. Now, after spending 1 hour on my business and on my YouTube channel, I will take Uber algorithm out of timeout, right? Bad Uber. Why did I get canceled? I have no idea. Makes no sense. Now we're gonna double check the settings, connect, comfort, pet. No pets right now. We're gonna turn Uber XL on and Uber X on. Perfect. And let's check out the airport. Around 4 o'clock, remember it gets busy. Ooh, no parking. Let me think about that. I thought about it. Okay, that airport, no good. Let's take a look at LAX. Not bad, around 200 people. Remember, we need a direction, we need a way to go. Uber XL is full, no problem. But if you look down here, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and then it starts picking up, right? We want to position ourselves for 6 o'clock so we're ready to make that $150 today. If you look over here, you already know I've made $100 in 4 passengers, right? I took a break for an hour. I put Uber in timeout for the cancellation. Now, let's put that 1 video up, which is the cancellation one. Let me see how long that video is supposed to be. So, if we go over here and go into my main YouTube channel, boom, right here. Okay, on my main YouTube channel, this video, because I don't know exactly which video it is, the only way I can find out which video it is, how long it is. If you look right here, it shows 9 minutes and 37 seconds. Perfect. Okay, this is the second channel. So there's a video back here for 9 minutes and 37 seconds right here, or 36 seconds, right? This one right here. This is gonna get uploaded, and we're gonna change the thumbnail. And thumbnail is gonna be cancellation. I think this is the right one. If not, I'll change it, because you know there's so much going on. And do I have a title for it? Yep, I do have a title for it. Perfect. And then we're also gonna go over here into the description, paste the description. Now we're ready to drive Uber. 1 hour timeout for Mr. Uber. Hopefully Uber behaves now. If it gives me another cancellation where I don't get paid, guess what? It's gonna go in another timeout. No, nothing on my channel is for kids. Oh shit, I put it on the wrong channel again. Never mind. Hold on. This is already here. If this is already here, I need to go on to the other channel. Mistakes are made, my friends. You know, this is kind of hard when you're dealing with 2 different channels at the same time, and you want each one to be slightly different so you can do an A/B test. Now, I'm going to make sure, I'm going to click on the playlist. Boom. Okay, this goes from, there you go, up to 8. This is the one that needs the cancellation one. Here you go. We're going to quickly upload it. Rinse and repeat, right? You guys know the drill. Not only do I teach you about Uber, but I also teach you about content creation. Okay, we're gonna paste the temporary title, because the titles are gonna change. They're just temporary. And the description is already here. So you can basically find my playlist and you can find my links. Okay, done. Now we're gonna go ahead and upload it. Good. Oh, what the fudge. Huh? Mistakes are being made. Mistakes are being made. Okay, maybe I didn't refresh it. It is there. It's on both channels. There you go. It's on both channels. Hey, if it's on both channels, why doesn't it show up over here? Right here, it should be showing up. That's the problem right here. Right here, it should be showing up. but it doesn't. Why isn't it showing up here? Oh, that's the problem right here. For some reason, it's not updating here. Sort this punk. I'm gonna pause this for a second. Oh, I know why. A rookie mistake. Hey, this is good. You're learning about content creation. Rookie mistake. I forgot to add it to the playlist. I uploaded it, but over here, you have to add it to the playlist. If you don't add it to the playlist, of course it's not going to show up. Rookie mistake, guys. But while we're here, we might as well add the description. Okay, now you know it's hard dealing with 2 channels at a time, right? It's not easy, my friend. It's not easy, right? And there's another one. There's number 8 missing on the other channel, which I will make sure it's uploaded. And let's go back here and double check one more time, and then we're going to get started. Okay, there you go. Now we're good. Cancellation is there. Make sure the sorting is by the newest one published. Perfect. Now let's go into my second YouTube channel and make sure number 8 video is over here. And number 8 video is going to be the same way. You're going to go here. We're going to go into your uploads, your videos. And then where's number 8? Right there. So this one is missing from the playlist. We're going to go ahead and add it to the playlist. And now we are good. Oh my goodness. Lord have mercy. Okay, good. So if we go over here and double check, all the videos should be here, right? It should be in order. There you go. Canceled 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Booyah. Basically, I want every Wednesday, every Thursday, every Friday to have a color. And based on that color, you'll be able to see what video I put up in the podcast. So if I've already done 8 videos plus cancellation, that's 9 videos that are around 10 minutes long. That's more than enough content for you to watch, right? Uh-oh, Uber's giving me something. Ooh, I'll take it. I'll take it. $16 will take it. Now I gotta read the details. Beverly Hills, yes. Okay, there you go. Oh, punk. You guys saw how fast I clicked on that, right? You saw how fast I clicked on it. That's like a bait and switch. Hey, Uber, we don't like you. Hey, guys, let me know in the comments. Should I put Uber another time out? Should I put Uber another time out? So this is the 9th video that's going to go up, right? Now, in this video, I want you to understand something. You know what I'm going to say, right? If it's the 9th video that's going up, that means I can make 10, 11, 12 videos a day. And then each one you watch in order basically ends up being a whole podcast, right? So instead of doing a long 3-hour conversation, I'm giving you little bite-sized pieces. 10 minutes here, 8 minutes here, 3 minutes here, 12 minutes here. So you can watch it at your own pace. But you know what it does for me? I get to see which one of my videos is doing really well, right? I'll give you an example. Let's go back here. If we go down and we look, out of all of these, this one right here, which is number 5, has 231 views, 160 views on the first one, right? But if I switch my channel and go to my rideXserve channel, and again, we look at the content, from today, the best video is number 4 and number 1, right? But it's still going to take time to build up, right? But if you look at yesterday's videos, you can see, oh, right here, look at this. This video has 773, right? Why? It is because, I don't know why. I have to listen to this. I need to find out. So by breaking up my podcast into smaller videos, 8 or 10 minute chunks, I can figure out what video is doing really well. Here's another one. See, this one is also doing 752, right? It takes about a week to find out which video is going viral. And I'll give you another example, right? If I go under sort and I say the most viewed, you will see, look, this video right here has 3.5k views and it has no thumbnail on it, right? So now I need to start putting thumbnails on this, thumbnails on this, thumbnails on this, thumbnails on this, right? These are all the videos that are doing really well on my channel. They need thumbnails, right? Do you understand my style? I just post stuff. Post it with a title, post it with a description, because if the content is good and you're talking with passion, you guys like, you guys comment, you guys watch, those videos go well. The videos that go well, they get thumbnails, right? All right, guys, I'm going to say deuces. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and ask questions. There is, here, I'll show you how many people are in my group, and then I'll go. I think there's 3 of us on my WhatsApp group. Yeah, these guys are already talking. Look. Okay, yeah, man, it sounds like a plan, bro. Right here, there's three of us talking and sharing information about Uber driver app and how to drive and what to do. I talk, these guys text, right? And this group was created less than a day ago, right? You guys are welcome to join my group. Let me know in the comments below if you want to be a part of it. And it's literally a community and a tribe that we're building up, right? We're all frustrated with dealing with what these app companies are doing, right? My goal is, look, if I can get around 25, 50 people on my WhatsApp group, that's enough. We can talk, we can negotiate, we can share stuff, and then we can avoid stuff like this, right? Now, everybody on that group is sharing information, not just me. So not only do you learn from me, but you learn from other people that drive in the taxi industry, that drive for Lyft, that are in other parts of America, right? That are helping me, that are helping you, and I can take a backseat role and kind of moderate it a little bit and keep it so it's professional and no one's arguing, no one's fighting, no one's cussing, and we're being spiritual. And the goal is simple. I help them, they help me, and then we all help each other. That's what this community is about. Deuces, fella.